our favorite product, ML's ultimate product. It's designed to provide you with the best ingredients to treat and hydrate your hair as you style. So you can treat the hair and hydrate it as you style. So in this product, you'll find the well-known ingredients: shine, hydration of African argan oil, and shea butter blended with the rare sea buckthorn seed oil and rosehip oil. So these exquisite oils protect cells from oxidative damage and aid in collagen production. It's rich in vitamins A, B, C, E, and K, therefore promoting strength and elasticity for your hair. The addition of rice water will also promote growth, repair, and add vitality. The hydration of your scalp, give your hair and scalp what they have always deserved.